Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra. Today I'm trying another recipe that I recently found on Pinterest, and it's for cheesy beef and rice. And I'll be using my Instant Pot Rio today. So let's get started. First I'm going to select the saute function on the Instant Pot and allow the pot to come up to heat. To the inner pot I'm going to drizzle a little oil and then add 1 pound of lean beef. I'll break up the beef and continue to cook until it's fairly cooked through. Then I will click on the cancel button to stop the Instant Pot. I add some chicken broth and stir with my spoon a bit before adding. Some milk. Salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. I stir this to mix it, and then I add 2 cups of rice. Now you don't want to stir this rice in, you just want to push it down and make sure that all of the rice is submerged and covered with liquid. Next, I pour a can of tomato soup. Once again, don't stir. Then I add 1 cup of frozen corn. The recipe called for an 8.5 ounce can of corn, but I only had frozen on hand. I place the lid on the Instant Pot, making sure my pot is set to the sealed position. I click on the pressure cook, and clicking on my dial, I set the timer to 7 minutes, then click start. Once the timer has counted down, I'll do a quick pressure release. After the pressure is released and it's safe to, I will carefully remove the lid. Now we'll add a combination of cheddar and mozzarella cheese to the top of the rice mixture. I place my lid back on for a few minutes just to give it time for that cheese to get good and melted. And now it's time to serve it up. I hope you've enjoyed my video, and I'll see you back here again in my next video.